First, open Google Chrome. Go to the TikTok website. To use another account at the same time, open a new incognito window. You can press Ctrl-Shift-N to open it quickly. In the incognito window, go to the TikTok website again. Click Login. Sign in with your second TikTok account. Now you can use your first account in the normal Chrome window and your second account in the incognito window. If you have more than one browser installed, such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox, you can also log into a different TikTok account in each browser. That's it. This is how you can have multiple TikTok accounts on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.